They are the best of the best of the best in everything. We've got zone backlights, we've got wide color, high dynamic range. That 15 stops.
Hello everyone, here from the ATOMOS booth, and I'm with the CEO of ATOMOS to talk about what's new here at IBC Show 2019. So, Jeromy, thank you very much for joining us, and maybe you can introduce us to the new Neon series. I know 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio, so many things going on, 15 stops, you know, DCI-P3, 100% coverage, but the show is yours.
Thanks, man. I appreciate your enthusiasm because we are pretty damn excited about these Neons. So they are the world's best panels from Panasonic Display. They're an IPS switching panel. You know them because they're in products like iPad and the iPhone, as well as Samsung devices. And they're used in medical, they're used in many high-end like Airbus and Boeing. Why we got them was we wanted to represent the raw images that we're capturing from the cameras at the highest quality. And the only way to do that is to get the best panel. Everyone who makes LEDs behind, there's only one good manufacturer of LEDs, and we are very close to them, and we handpick and help them develop. So it's a bunch of companies working together. The screen, we handpick the LEDs, we control them. We control them between 0 and 1,000,000 from white to black, all the way through grays. What that allows us to do is control the shading, which is HDR, high dynamic range. That 15 stops, you have to be able to process it correctly. And the way we process it and then represent it on the screen is super important. We've got zone backlights, we've got wide color. So it's like shining a torch on your color, and it gives you that effect of real depth in the image. So when you see the Neons, they're in 17, 24, 31 and 55 inch. They all record, playback, monitor, edit. They're true 10-bit panels. They are the best of the best of the best in everything that is on offer, from image right through to display. And we've committed to that. €4,000 for the 17, €6,500 for the 24. 31 is at €8,000, and then €17,000 for the 55-inch big monster. It looks good in your living room, I can tell you. It's a very nice monitor to play back your ProRes and ProRes RAW footage. We also have our Shogun 7, that's at 3,000 nits, and that's a free update for all the Shogun 7 users that use it for on-camera. That's been a little winner for us because it's a 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio, 360 zone backlight in that product. So no matter what size you need, 5-inch, 7-inch, right the way through to 55, ATOMOS has a solution for you.
Really amazing what this monitor already can do, but it's also a recorder, so you can use different types of SSD on the back. Yes. But what about multi-view split screen solutions? Is there anything in planning? Do we know that there is anything coming?
Yes. Well, actually, we've got switching and multi-view for 4 channels HD P60 on both the Shogun 7 and the Sumo. And a lot of the Sumo customers have been waiting for the asynchronous version of the switching, and we apologize for the delay in that. I didn't realize when I announced it how many pieces of kit you have to test. It's the last 20 years of HD equipment. So it's taken us a bit longer than we expected, but it will be shipping next month. Okay. Is the Sumo, and the Shogun at the same time, Shogun 7. So that's the 7-inch and the 19-inch. We call it touch and switch. So you can see your 4 views. You hit record on one channel. You can record 4 ISO records and 1 program stream record, which gives you like basically a production studio in one product. And the touch and switch is pretty cool. You queue up the next switched feed, and then you swipe across to the other side.
So thank you very much, Jeromy, for talking to us about all the new things here at the show, and I'm very happy that you took the time talking to us here. Now, thank you so much, everyone, for watching.